Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens, and in today's video we are looking at clearance, and there's a whole bunch. There's some at 25% off or 50% off. And when we're talking about Swiffer and cleaner, when that stuff hits 75 or 90, we will be all over it. Always treat clearance as your mileage may vary. For example, what's usually happening here in Michigan is the same as Texas. However, Maine and Michigan might be a week staggered difference. You can always grab an item and ask for a price check. Typically, items go on clearance Tuesdays, Saturdays, or Sundays. It is okay to use Walgreens cash coupons or register rewards with clearance. Just make sure the math is mathing perfectly. I also want to let you know that on Tuesday or Wednesday morning, a lot of us got these boosters. Go and load them right now because next week is going to be really fantastic over at Walgreens. And I did realize that a lot of people on Instagram were saying they got the same ones as I, so I would load them right away. It's going to be a really heavy P&G week next week, which we love. Okay, let's hop right into the clearance. The first goes to this double pack of the Swiffer Power Mop. And it's $8.49 from almost $14, so a little bit of savings there. Always scan items. Maybe there might be a digital coupon or an IBOTTA rebate. Open up IBOTTA, scan these barcodes. Why not? We have this Swiffer wet and dry, or dry and wet, so it does both. It's that same kit that's been on clearance everywhere for $7.99 from $19.99. I mean, when this gets down to 80 or 90, it's just gonna fly. This one item, I saw the sticker, but somebody bought all of them. It's this $32.99 Lieberman extra wide Freedom Spray Mop, and it looks really cool. So it's $12.99. Can you imagine this for $3.29? If you're seeing this stuff in the store, ask for a price check because you never know what the price might be, especially if it's not tagged. If your store is really busy and they don't have people tagging stuff, this might be your opportunity. For the Sally Hansen's, I know we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. If you grab 2 of these, it would make it super cheap, and it's attaching to clearance, but I would like them for $2.50 to make them free. Also have a lot of CoverGirl like serums and glow stuff. I don't think this was popular. And those lotions for $4.99 from 20. I've used those. I really enjoy them, the ones on the right. If you have any Ibotta rebates or anything, just open up the app, scan some barcodes, and hopefully something will appear. And then more foundation from $8.99 to $2.29. I know we had a couple CoverGirl coupons, so it might be worth scanning some barcodes. Will it attach? Yes or no? Make sure whatever coupon you have surpasses the total of the product. If you have say a $3 coupon and you're trying to buy this product for $2.29, it's not going to work. You'll have to buy 2 of them for $4 to use that coupon. Some L'Oreal for $7.29. I know we have some high value L'Oreal coupons, and some Maybelline from $2.79. These look like some sort of like lip stain. Looks really, really nice. And at 90%, we have this brightening and firming. It's by the Walgreens brand, Modern Expression. It's a body sheet mask. I don't even think it's going to go for 49 cents. It's such an odd thing. And all these different Walgreens brand masks and little brightening creams, all of them were like 90% off or about there. Walking down the regular lotion aisle, or where they have a lot of skincare, lots of this stuff 75% off. These little blemish patches, that's actually a great product. Olay for $19.99. I'd love to see it for $2.69. This double pack of the Clean and Clear, only a couple of dollars off, but remember, rebate apps always scan. And we have Aveeno, lots of it for a couple dollars off. It's only save 5 and save 4. I mean, when this hits 75, it's going to fly. And then with the different family, which is the Olay skincare, I think they're going to be maybe clearing this out at Walgreens. It's just not popular with shoppers. And that wonderful line Hemp's, a lot of this is 50% off. I know Ibotta had a $4 rebate for a lot of this earlier in the week. Definitely read those tags. Just don't grab anything willy-nilly, because one is for exotic green tea and Asian pear. That's a green one. And the other one is purple, which is pomegranate. And somebody just put a regular one in front of the clearance. I got all excited for nothing. Has that ever happened to you guys? In that summer aisle, a lot of food and drinks are 50% off. I think shoppers are just not buying this stuff, and that's probably why it's getting cleared out. So this 8-pack of Prime for $5.49. and this Alani for $3.79. I have never tried these fancy drinks. Yeah, I guess I'm not a fancy, I'm not really into these fancy carbonated drinks. Let me know, is it actually worth $3.79 for 4 cans? I don't know. Saratoga Sparkling for $4.99. That's something right up my husband's alley, but I didn't buy it. So I guess he gets nothing today. And then be on the lookout definitely for these flavored Oreos. We have lemon and mint, a lot of them at 50% off. Check the different rebate apps if there might be something for Nabisco. And one store that I visited had these Belvitas for 53 cents with the dollar back from IBOTTA. It makes it free plus a 47-cent moneymaker. You can do that up to 5 times. I don't know if this one location was trying to clear it out or what, but be on the lookout for that. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.